How to log in to Target REDcard account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Target REDcard account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser. On your web browser, search for your Target REDcard login. So just type it in, and after you search for that, you'll find the account option by Target. So just open that up. After you open that up, you'll see the sign in option right here on the top. And there we go, it automatically redirected us to the sign in page. All you have to do is type in your email address, then tap on continue and type in the password for your account. So you can choose either ways to log in. So just choose your password or passkey or your verification code and then sign in with the password option. And yeah, after that you'll be logged in into your account. And that's how simple it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.